In the world of app development, choosing the right framework can be tough. Today, we'll compare Tauri, Electron, and Flutter. All three tools help developers create apps that run on multiple platforms. They allow you to build software that works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, but each one has its own unique features and benefits. Let's start with Tauri. Tauri is lightweight and focuses on security. It uses web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but it creates smaller apps. This means faster load times and less resource use. Tauri also gives developers more control over the final product. Now, let's look at Electron. Electron is popular for building desktop applications. It combines web technologies with Node.js, making it easy to create powerful apps. However, Electron apps can be large and use more memory. Many well known apps like Visual Studio Code are built with Electron. So, what are the key differences? Tauri is more lightweight and secure, while Electron offers a more extensive ecosystem and community support. If you want a smaller app, Tauri is the way to go. But if you need a robust framework with lots of resources, Electron is a better choice. When it comes to features, Tauri is great for security and performance. It has a smaller footprint, while Electron shines in flexibility and ease of use. Flutter, on the other hand, is known for its beautiful UI and fast development time. In terms of pricing, all three frameworks are open source, so you can use them for free. However, you might incur cost if you need extra services or support. So, who should use what? If you want a lightweight and secure app, go for Tauri. If you need a powerful app with lots of resources, choose Electron. For stunning UI, Flutter is your best bet. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.